if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that red button. And also, here we are. I think you know it already. It's on the description below. I went to Philippines and I went to Watson and I bought the BLK Cosmetics. Okay, and let's try if this product is pack or not. Let's see. So I bought this product. This one is Dubai and Hong Kong. I only bought LK Travels Collectors Edition, and I bought under this one because when I tried the samples, I think this is the only shade that I want. So let's try if this one is good or not. Okay, so let's open it. So this packaging is very cute. It has the stamp, with this postage of Hong Kong, arrival, the stamp, travel. So I like travel. I like traveling. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. So when you open that, you get this, and you will see this too cute. Very cute. Oh, that's it. This one is so cute. This is this one, the panda. I think the panda one is this panda. I don't know. There, Hong Kong. So that one. And so let's try it. Let's open it. Let's look at this. This one is too small. This one is too small. It's very small. See? Let me check how small it is. So that's how small it is. Very, very cute. And I bought this for. This one is 349 pesos. 349 pesos. So this box is 349 pesos, and it has 2 shades already. And the one I got is Hong Kong and Dubai. So now, let's say this one is so cute. Let's open it. Ta-da! So it looks like this. It looks like this. And then when you open that, it would be. That's how long it is. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. That's long already, and it's good. So now let's put it back. So you see that shade is very dark. So let's swatch this. I'm not good in swatching, but let's see. Can you see that? So that's it. Let's see if it will look good. Lips. So it's very, very cute. And another one is what do you think, guys? It is very easy to apply, and I think hey, you like it. So this is, let me see. So I think this one is Hong Kong. This one is Hong Kong, and it says Hong Kong, symbolic of sweetness and of success, the joy of homecoming, and the failure born out of sacrifices. This luscious berry shade is a nod to the countless Filipino OFWs residing and working in bustling Hong Kong. So this is for the OFWs in Hong Kong. So this is a luscious berry shake. So what do you think? Now let's move on and let's wipe this one down first. Let's wipe it. Okay. Okay, before guys, I bought I put some moisturizing on my lips. Moisturizer on my lips. Okay. It would be too dry. We haven't tested it if it's kiss-proof. But anyways, so nakalagay na tayo ng moisturizer. So it's not in. So the second one, this one is Dubai. It has a picture of a camel over there, and we'll see that Dubai is a beautiful rose hue that sits in the middle of a modest and luxurious. This universally flattering lippy symbolizes both the reality and extravagance of life in Dubai, where many hard-working Filipinas thrive as everyday heroes. So now, I think this one. Sorry. I think this travel collectors edition is for all the OFW around the world, but there's no Thailand. So same. Let's do it like that. So that's how long it is. I'm surprised that it has much product. Okay, the product is not too bad. So now let's shade it. So that's That's it. I told you I'm very bad in swatching. So that's it. So that's the color. So that's the shade. That's the two shades. This one is Hong Kong and the other one is Dubai. So now let's put this on our lips. I like this one. It's not too dark. It's not too light. That's why this is the only shade I got. The Dubai and Hong Kong. I think this would be my everyday look in school. Now I have new lipstick for school. I'm very exhausted. So now, pagpatuloy na natin ang ating naiwanan. Okay, so this is the BLK Travel Collectors Edition Dubai. So what do you think? Bakit ba? Sige, i-wipe na natin na. Creamy siya, creamy. Okay, so now, yun yung dalawa lang binili ko ha. Hong Kong at saka Dubai. Now, bumili din ako ng classic matte. Yung matte Fearless. I remember na ito yung first na nilabas nila. Ganitong sabi na. Ito, ano ito yung pen? It says, parang gusto ko ito yung kaya binili ko. So, ito, BLK. Ito yung binili ko at saka ito. Maganda yung packaging. I know this one is perfect for that. This one is too dark like that. And it's bigger. So, compare natin ha. Compare natin. So, this is the Travel Collectors and this is the normal one. So, see how? See? Very small, very cute. Now, this one is 200, let's see. Okay, this one, the price of this is 299 pesos, and this one is 349 for two. So, dalawa na siya, dalawa, yung Hong Kong at Dubai. So, see. So, yeah. Let's close it. Okay, so i-try natin. It's super dark, pinili ko. So, yun na. See? Super dark, grabe. Iba na skin ko. Grabe. So, let's see. OMG. This is too dark. I don't know when. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ito gagamitin. OM. Hindi pa talaga pantay. Nakasa ko sa namin. Wala akong mirror, guys. Sabi ito na yung matte. All day. Very dark. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ito gagamitin. Parang hindi pantay. Ayan, pantay na ba? Okay. Tingnan natin. Oh, I guess first one. Sabi kasi. So, that's it. At saka, so far, so good. Gusto ko. I like BLK. Approve. Anchor this. Approve. Proof. Good job, Curtis. Very nice. Very nice. Good job, Curtis. So, guys, I'm going to pagpapala na. At saka yun lang po for today. And thank you so much. And